Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally, another free testnet project has arrived. It's free for all users and it's a top tier 1 project. The project is called DogeOS. So DogeOS is an app layer for Dogecoin and is coming directly from Dogecoin, which everyone already knows about. They already have a huge 165k followers, and if we check their funding, so far the project has raised 6.9 million. Their airdrop is confirmed, so don't miss this. This project is backed by top-tier investor Polychain Capital. I'll show you how you can participate in this project. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto airdrop news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post in the video description where you will find this page link. If you join through that link, you will earn 1 point. So you need to connect your wallet first. For that, click on connect wallet, then select connect with Ethereum. Then choose any of the following wallets. I'd select MetaMask here. Then click on connect and then confirm the request. And then you are set to go. So click here and then go to the edit profile section. And here you can set your name, your location, and write a short description about yourself. Then in the accounts and wallet section, you can connect your social accounts, but I'll show you those in the task section. So here are basically some tasks which you need to complete to earn points. First, here you have the referral option. Simply click on get my referral link and you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends to boost your points. Next, you need to connect your X account. So click on connect X. Then authorize. Go back, click on claim. And done. Next, you need to link your Telegram. So click on connect Telegram. Connect your Telegram. Go back, click on claim. And done. Next, you need to connect your Discord. So click on connect Discord. Then authorize. Then you need to join their Discord server. So click on go to server. Accept the invite. And then solve the CAPTCHA. Next, select here and click on finish. So here type GM and done. Now go back to the airdrop page and click on claim. And done. Next, you need to follow them. So click on go to account. Then follow their profile. Then go back and claim. And done. So we already connected our Discord, so claim this as well. So done. Next, here you also have lots of other tasks which are easy to complete. So just select any task and here basically you need to follow them and give some quiz answers which you can use ChatGPT to get the correct answers. So after completing task, you can see your balance points here, which I already earned 6 points. Then in the leaderboard section, you will see top rankers and you can track your rank. There are also galaxy tasks available. While they may not give rewards right now, it's still good to complete them. So that's it for this video. Please like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.